This is an immediate emergency situation. The trajectory of the comet has changed and the comet will crash into him at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on March 27th. This is an emergency situation. Evacuate now. Evacuate now. Evacuate now. You have little time. Evacuate now. Bring any valued possessions. We will only be using one rocket which will take off at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow. Again, this is an emergency situation. To ensure the fastest alerts, we will be switching to radio. Keep an FM/and prank radio handy at all times. Again, evacuate to Westport now.